Let's ensure your creative genius is immortal by saving your media and projects safely and securely on the Adobe Creative Cloud. First, we need to log into the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. If you're not already logged in, do so now using your Adobe account credentials. This is your central hub for all things Adobe. Now, open your Premiere Pro project that you want to back up. Once your project is opened, go to the File menu in the top left corner of the application window. In the File menu, select Export, which has several options for this process. You will need to select Project. Click here to save a copy of your project from Premiere Pro. After selecting Project, it will open a Save As dialog box. Here is the place to decide where to save the project. Make sure that you understand where the saved project will be placed, as there are a few suggestions. To save your project to the Adobe Creative Cloud, choose the Creative Cloud as your saving location. This will ensure your project is safely backed up on Adobe's servers. Rename your project if you wish, or keep the original name. Click Save. Premiere Pro will now save your project to the Creative Cloud. Wait for the saving process to finish. The loading process bars should fully complete while the project is being saved. Now your Premiere Pro project file and all the attached media files, audio and video are safely stored in the cloud. You can now access this project from any device connected to your Adobe account anywhere.